If you're hunting for a dash cam that claims crystal clear night vision and all-in-one smart features, you've probably stumbled upon the Thinkware F790. But here's what surprised me. It promises to be the ultimate 2025 upgrade for your car, yet I found some quirks you don't hear about in the glowing reviews. Stick around because we're diving deep into the real story behind this highly rated gadget, and it might just change how you view your dash cam options. Ready for a no-nonsense look? Great, because this review might just save you from a pricey headache. So, who exactly is the Thinkware F790 for? If you're a daily commuter, road trip lover, or road warrior who wants reliable protection during drives and while parked, this dash cam aims to be your dependable road partner. It's packed with features that sound irresistible: 1080p HDR video, slick Super Night Vision 3.0, built-in GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, and even advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, to keep you safer on the road. But is this early 2025 upgrade really delivering the full package, or just flashing some shiny tech without substance? Let's start where everyone cares most: the video quality, especially at night. Yes, the Thinkware F790 boasts Super Night Vision 3.0, engineered to capture crisp footage in low light with minimal distortion. During my tests, it did impress at first glance: crisper images than your typical run-of-the-mill cams, and a dwarfing algorithm that keeps scenes natural without turning everything into a fisheye nightmare. But here's the catch. Sometimes that 1080p HDR feels inconsistent when speed increases or curves hit hard. At 30 frames per second, fast-moving objects occasionally blur or pixelate just enough to miss crucial license plate details when you need them most. In other words, it's superb until it isn't. Now, onto the design and installation. Thinkware truly aimed for a clean, decluttered dashboard aesthetic with its plug-in mount that integrates power and GPS signals in one go. Fewer cables equals less distraction, and dual-band Wi-Fi speeds transferring videos to your phone is a godsend. No fumbling with slapdash USB connections. Pairing with the Thinkware Dash Cam Link app simplifies viewing and downloads on the fly. However, a little birdie, or should I say, a little wire, told me that sometimes the mount connection can be finicky, causing unexpected power drops or GPS fails on long drives. Nothing worse than thinking your dash cam is recording when it's actually napping. Security-wise, the Thinkware F790 stands out with features like anti-file corruption and a 3-axis G-sensor that locks in footage automatically during impacts. That's the type of reliability buyers crave if you're pinning hopes on a camera to back you up during collisions or parking lot shuntings. Plus, thermal protection and a supercapacitor instead of a lithium battery prolong the camera's life, especially under hot dashboard conditions. But here's the plot twist. While these features sound bulletproof, some users mention occasional app syncing glitches and difficulties in accessing crucial saved files quickly, which defeats the purpose of instant evidence retrieval. Speaking of parking, the F790 supports parking surveillance mode, designed to record impacts while your car is unattended. This can be set up through hardwiring or paired with an OBD cable, adding convenience for those who want peace of mind without draining their car battery. Parking monitoring is a solid plus, especially in crowded lots where hit-and-runs or vandalism are real worries. But be warned, this feature leans heavily on proper setup and wiring. Mistakes here can lead to missed recordings when you least expect it, and let me tell you, there's nothing humorous about coming back to a dent and realizing your camera was off-duty. Now, let's talk safety alerts. The Thinkware F790 integrates ADAS, featuring forward collision warnings, lane departure alerts, and notifications when the car in front starts moving. These are nifty perks if you're looking to add a virtual backseat driver on your journeys. Plus, the safety camera notifications keep you sharp around speed limits and red light cameras. Basically, it's like having a cautious co-pilot who never gets tired. But don't lean on these too heavily. The alerts can sometimes be overzealous or slightly delayed, creating distraction rather than help, especially in bumper-to-bumper traffic. Here's an interesting tidbit for tech lovers. The F790 is multiplexer ready, meaning you can add up to 4 more cameras for full 5-channel coverage. Imagine monitoring every angle of your car like a high-tech fortress. This flexibility is a massive bonus for security-conscious users or those who drive larger vehicles like SUVs and vans. The downside: adding extra cameras ramps up costs and complicates the setup. So if you're not tech-savvy or patient with wires, this dream setup might turn into a wiring nightmare faster than you can say dash cam. On the humor side, guess what? If you talk to the F790 camera, it won't answer back. So it's definitely not designed for road trip karaoke sessions. Bummer. Also, it won't prevent your in-laws from critiquing your driving, no matter how many safety alerts it sends your way. And don't expect it to park the car for you. It might watch in silence but won't lend a hand. Lastly, don't ask it to find your keys when you get out of the car. It's a dash cam, not a detective. Before you write off the F790 entirely, let's highlight what really shines here. Thinkware has packed proven durability into this unit: thermal protection, and that supercapacitor design alone mean it's built to survive harsh conditions and extended use without flameouts or battery leaks common in lesser dash cams. The clever declutter design paired with upgraded Wi-Fi speeds and dependable GPS tracking adds major value for daily drivers seeking order and easy data access. For someone who logs tons of miles and wants a reliable watchdog, the F790 delivers in broad strokes, just not always perfectly or without hiccups. So, what's the final verdict? The Thinkware F790 is a compelling option if you prioritize night vision, clean installation, and comprehensive driver alerts. It's especially suited for tech enthusiasts who want the option to expand to multiple cameras and are okay navigating occasional bugs or setup tweaks. However, if you want plug-and-play simplicity or flawless recording regardless of speed and environment, there might be other dash cams that handle those scenarios better. So don't buy this thinking it's a magic bullet. That said, the Thinkware F790 stands tall in 2025 dash cam lineups for its ambition and feature-packed design. Its flaws are often minor trade-offs to the substantial benefits it offers. Whether you're worried about nighttime incidents or need smart alerts to drive safer, this camera covers essential bases better than many competitors. Just remember to keep your phone close for troubleshooting and stay patient during setup. If you're curious to check out the current pricing and latest deals on the Thinkware F790, I've dropped the best Amazon link in the description below. Because prices move faster than rush hour traffic, and I want you snagging the best offer possible. Don't wait too long. These high-tech gadgets tend to spike in price quickly. To wrap it up, the Thinkware F790 could be the savvy upgrade your car's been waiting for. A dash cam blending innovation, durability, and comprehensive safety features into one tidy package. While it's not perfect, its benefits far outweigh minor inconveniences for everyday drivers and road trip enthusiasts alike. Equip your car with this smart guardian, and you might just feel safer on the road tomorrow. After all, it's not just about recording footage. It's about peace of mind when the unexpected happens. So, why not give your drive a brainy backup? Remember, hit that link below for the best deal on Amazon and thank me later when you're cruising with confidence powered by Thinkware F790. Safe travels.